Have you ever uploaded an Instagram reel and it just flopped? Don't worry, it's not always your video. Most of the time, it's the idea and the cover thumbnail that decide if people will stop scrolling. In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to use GPT to generate viral reel ideas in Canva to design eye-catching covers so your content gets the clicks it deserves. Before we start, don't forget to make sure you're subscribed to get notification of my next tutorial video. Let's start with the idea. Here inside GPT, I type a simple prompt, give me 10 Instagram reel ideas for, insert your niche, each with a strong hook that grabs attention in the first 3 seconds. As you can see, GPT instantly gives me multiple options. The key here is to focus on ideas that solve a quick problem, trigger curiosity, or share a surprising fact. From this list, I'll pick one idea that feels the most engaging, and we'll build on it. Even though Reels autoplay, the cover image or thumbnail is still very important. It's what people see on your profile grid, and it decides whether they click or keep scrolling. So here's the next GPT prompt. Suggest 5 short and punchy text ideas for an Instagram Reel cover about chosen topic. Notice how GPT keeps the text short, bold, and easy to read. That's exactly what we need for a cover that stands out on mobile. Now, let's bring our idea to life in Canva. I start by opening a vertical reel cover template. Then I drop in the text we just got from GPT. From here, I adjust the background color to something bold, choose a big, readable font, and add a relevant icon or image. Here are a few Instagram-specific design tips. Number 1. Keep your text large enough to be readable on small screens. Number 2. Use high contrast colors so your cover stands out. And number 3. Make sure your text is inside the safe zone, so it won't get cut off in your profile grid. Here's a quick bonus tip. You can also ask GPT for caption ideas and hashtags. Just write 3 Instagram captions and hashtags for this real topic. Now, instead of spending hours thinking about what to post, you've got your real idea, your cover design, and even your caption all ready in minutes. So here's the system. GPT gives you endless real ideas and hooks, Canva makes your covers stand out, and together they save you hours of stress. Now it's your turn. Try this method for your next Instagram reel and see the difference. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe for more creator hacks, and drop a comment telling me what's your biggest challenge with Instagram Reels.